In this video, I will show you how to connect your Tradovate account to TradingView. First, sign in to your TradingView account. Once you are logged in, move your mouse to the top menu, hover over Products, and click on Supercharts to open the charting platform. When the chart loads, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and open the trading panel. You can drag the panel up so you can see all the available brokers. Look for Tradovate in the list. If you do not see it right away, click Show All Brokers to expand the full list, and then locate Tradovate. Click on Tradovate and TradingView will ask whether you want to connect a live or demo account. Choose the one you want to use, then enter your Tradovate username and password and click Connect. Once the connection completes, your account will be linked and you can start trading directly on TradingView. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing and liking the video for more tutorials.